So do you also wish to generate the summaries for the PDF reports that you received using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to use an AI agent to auto summarize and share internal reports effortlessly. So as a team manager, I receive a lot of reports in PDF formats, and now I wish to generate the summaries for all that reports. So now here my objective is that whenever a new file is uploaded in my Google Drive, then automatically that file should be shared with OpenAI, and OpenAI should generate the summary for the same, and after generating the summary, automatically that summary should be posted in my Google chat space so that I can go with the summary easily. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Drive with OpenAI and Google Chat using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically summarize lengthy internal reports using AI agent. This will help you save time, stay informed, and keep your team updated with key insights. Okay, so as you all know that as a team manager, I often receive lengthy internal reports that are packed with important details, but reading through them takes a lot of time. So now to stay updated without spending hours reviewing the documents, I started using an AI agent to automatically summarize these reports. And then the AI quickly extracts key points, highlights important insights, and even shares the summary with me on my Google Chat space. This saves me time, ensures me and my team gets the information they need, and helps us make decisions faster. It is an effortless way to stay informed and keep everyone on the same page. Okay, so now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation by simply connecting your Google Drive with your OpenAI account and your Google Chat using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Okay, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/shina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Use an AI agent to auto summarize and share internal reports effortlessly. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive, as the internal company reports are uploaded in my Google Drive under a specific folder in a PDF format. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive. So Google Drive is a cloud storage service where you can store your files and access them from any device. So in my Google Drive trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new file in a specific folder, so that whenever a new file in a specific folder, that is this particular folder, is uploaded, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Okay, so now here to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Okay, so here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the folder or the subfolder. So here I need to select the folder or subfolder under which I'm going to upload a new file from which I want to capture the response for the new file in that specific folder. So here you can see my folder name in my Google Drive is internal reports, and I want to capture the response for the file uploaded in this specific folder. Okay, so now let's move back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my folder as internal reports from this drop down menu. Alright, so now here after selecting the folder, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and as soon as I'm going to click on the save and send test request, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response for the latest file that is uploaded in that specific folder, or you can see the last file that is uploaded in that specific folder. Okay, so here before clicking on the save and send test request, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload a new file in this particular folder so that Pabbly Connect can capture the response for that particular report. Okay, so here before uploading the new report, what we are going to do is that we are going to update the access of this particular folder. So here I'm going to update the access, and I'm going to give access to anyone with the link, because I'm going to give the file access to AI to generate the summary for the reports uploaded in this specific folder. So for that, what you need to do is that you need to click on this folder name over here, and from here you have to select share, and now from here you have to click on this share option. And now here in this dialog box, what you need to do is that you need to update this general access from restricted to anyone with the link. So by updating this general access, automatically anyone with the link can be able to access your folder. Okay, so I'm going to click on this done. And once we have done this, we are going to upload a new file over here in the folder. Here I'm going to select file upload, and here I'm going to select that particular report. And here you can see we have successfully uploaded a new document over here with the name e-commerce monthly sales report. Okay, so now after successfully uploading the new document, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the web view link, web content link, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 10 minutes. And here if you wish to set this trigger time, then you need to click on the three dots, and from here you have to select set trigger time. And then a dialog box will appear in front of you, and from here you can select the trigger time. So here you can set the least trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. Okay, so here I've selected the least, and then I'm going to click on this save. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger. So once we have received a new file in our Google Drive under that specific folder, then automatically I want to give that file to OpenAI and want AI to generate a summary for that particular report. So now here to do so, I need to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as extract content from PDF or image. So by using this particular action event, I'm going to generate the summary of the PDF, that means the report that is in a PDF format, using OpenAI. So now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key. And here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is summary. And here for the project, I'm going to select the project as default project. And then I'm going to click on this create secret key. So you can see this is the API key. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the OpenAI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the existing models over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o mini, but you can select the AI model as per your need. Okay, so now here it is asking me for for the image or the PDF URL. So here I need to enter the PDF URL that I want to give to AI to generate an appropriate summary of that PDF. Alright, so now here instead of entering the PDF URL manually, here I'm going to map the PDF URL. So here mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step, or you can say from my previous steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new file in a Google Drive, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the PDF URL that I have received in the response. So this is the PDF URL, and now after entering the PDF URL, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to enter the prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a summary of this PDF for me. So here I'm going to enter a prompt. Alright, so here you can see the prompt that I've added, and here I've added a relevant prompt so that I can generate a short and the exact summary for this PDF that I've uploaded in my Google Drive. Okay, so here you can see the instructions that I have given to the prompt to do not include some special characters. Here you can see other instructions as well, that is the format of the summary, and also I've asked AI to generate the summary in the simple language. So here I've specified this point because here I don't want to generate the summary in the JSON format. Okay, so here I've specified the simple language, and now here let me tell you that we are using prompt over here because I want to generate the response in a paragraph format. And here in this particular action event, we usually use structured output to extract the details from PDF in a structured format. Okay, so here I'm not going to use the structured output over here, and I'm going to use this prompt to generate the summary for the PDF I have uploaded over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have successfully received a summary generated by OpenAI for the report that we uploaded. And here you can see the entire summary over here. That means we have successfully set up this action step as well. So once here after generating the summary, I want to upload that summary on my Google Chat space under this particular space named as internal reports. So now here to share this summary with me or my teammates on Google Chat, I need to connect my Google Chat Hangout with Pabbly Connect by simply adding another action step over here. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Chat Hangout. So Google Chat is an online messaging tool that helps teams communicate and collaborate in real time. So here in my Google Chat Hangout action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a message, so that after generating the summary through OpenAI, automatically that summary should be posted as a new message in my Google Chat space. Okay, so now here to connect my Google Chat with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we are now successfully connected, and then here it is asking me to enter the chat webhook URL. So here it says enter your Google Chat Room webhook URL here. You will be able to register the webhook only if you have a Google Workspace account. So here to learn how you can get this chat webhook URL from here, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to get a chat webhook URL from your Google Chat account. Okay, so we are going to follow all these instructions, and let me take you to my Google Chat account. So here in my Google Chat account, you can see this space under which I want the summaries to be posted. So now here to get this chat webhook URL, what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this chat space name, and from here we are going to select space settings. Now here under the space settings, I'm going to click on this apps and integrations given over here, and here under apps and integrations, you can see we have received the option for webhooks over here. So here I'm going to generate a new webhook by clicking on this add webhooks, and then I'm going to give a name to my webhook, that is summary, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we have successfully received a webhook URL over here. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the chat webhook URL. So this is my chat webhook URL, and then here it is asking me to enter the message. So in this message field, I need to enter the message that I want to send to this particular chat webhook URL. So here I'm going to map the summary that I've generated using OpenAI as a message. So this is the summary, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully posted a new summary on our Google Chat space generated by OpenAI. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message on this space over here from the summary bot. And here you can see the entire summary generated over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Drive and our action as OpenAI and Google Chat Hangout, so that whenever we are going to receive a new file in that specific folder in a PDF format, then automatically OpenAI is going to use that file to generate a summary for that particular file. And after generating the summary for that file, or you can can say for that report, automatically that summary is going to be posted on a Google search space under that particular space. Okay, so these were the steps to how to use an AI agent to auto summarize and share internal reports effortlessly. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.